Good evening. We begin tonight with breaking environmental news from the Great Lakes. Lake Erie, one of North America's most popular and economically important freshwater lakes, is once again in the spotlight. But this time, it's not just for its beauty, recreation, or size. It's for a growing ecological problem linked to an invasive species known as the zebra mussel. Lake Erie sits along the borders of Ohio, Michigan, Pennsylvania, New York, and Ontario, Canada. It's the fourth largest of the Great Lakes by surface area, stretching about 241 miles long and 57 miles wide at its widest point. Despite being the shallowest of the Great Lakes, with an average depth of only 62 feet and a maximum depth of 210 feet, it holds an astonishing 116 cubic miles of fresh water. That shallow depth is actually one reason Lake Erie is so popular. Its waters warm faster than the other Great Lakes, making it a hotspot for boating, fishing, swimming, and tourism. It supports one of the largest freshwater fisheries in the world, especially for walleye and perch, drawing anglers from across the country. But beneath the surface, a silent invasion is underway. Zebra mussels, small, fingernail-sized shellfish originally from Eastern Europe, were introduced into the Great Lakes in the late 1980s through ballast water from cargo ships. Since then, they've multiplied rapidly in Lake Erie. At first glance, zebra mussels might seem harmless. They even make the water appear clearer by filtering out algae and particles. But scientists warn this clarity hides a serious problem. By filtering so much of the lake's nutrients, zebra mussels disrupt the entire food chain. Native species struggle to survive. Fish lose vital food sources. And harmful algae blooms, some toxic to humans and pets, become more frequent because nutrients are redirected in unnatural ways. They also attach themselves to boats, docks, water intake pipes, and native mussels, causing millions of dollars in damage every year. Environmental officials say Lake Erie's popularity and shallow nature make it especially vulnerable. Warmer waters and heavy human activity give zebra mussels the perfect environment to thrive. Now, researchers and conservation groups are racing to control the spread before long-term damage to one of America's most treasured lakes becomes irreversible. Lake Erie remains a beloved destination and a critical freshwater resource. But the battle against zebra mussels is a reminder that even the most iconic natural landmarks face serious threats beneath the surface. We'll continue to follow this developing story. I'm Mr. Dingle, reporting live.